Okay, now see, registered with capital of rupees 1 crore divided into 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 100 each. So this time the face value of the share is rupees 100, and the company is inviting applications for 42,500 shares. However, they have received applications only for 40,000 shares. Out of that 40,000, 1,600 has not paid the final call money, and their shares were forfeited. Then they have again reissued 600 shares as fully paid for rupees 90 per share. So now first thing is that you have to prepare notes to accounts. Authorized capital is clearly given in this question. 1 lakh shares of rupees 100 each. 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 100 each, and the capital will become 1 crore. Then second is issued. So number of shares issued is 42,500. 42,500 equity shares you have issued, and it will become 42,50,000. 42,50,000. Then subscribed capital, subscribed and fully paid. So 39,000 shares will be fully paid. How 39,000 shares will be fully paid? Because 40,000 you have received applications, then 1,600 have not paid you final call money, and then again you have reissued 600. So it will become 39,000. Then 39,000 shares have paid you full amount. So the amount will be here 39 lakh. Now, because you have forfeited these 1,600 shares, so in share forfeiture account you will be having a balance. That balance will be added here. Add share forfeiture and the balance amount will be for 1,000 shares only, because you have forfeited 1,600 and you have reissued 600 shares out of that. So that's why forfeiture account will be having only balance for 1,000 shares now, because they have not been reissued. No, there is no concept of not fully paid up now in this question. If you would not have forfeited them, then you can say that 1000 shares are not fully paid. But because you have forfeited them now, that's why the money is lying in now share forfeiture account. 1000 shares. That is the difference that I want to show you. 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 70, because they have not paid you the final call only each. So this amount will be 39 lakh and this amount will be 70,000. And the final amount will be here 39 lakh 70,000. And this amount will be shown here in share capital 39 lakh 70,000. See, because this money is lying in share forfeiture account, when we will reissue these shares also, 1000 shares will be reissued. Obviously, company will not keep themselves. So company will reissue these 1000 shares also. So at the time, because this money you have received for the capital purpose, so where you can show it, until and unless you will reissue, you cannot transfer this money to the capital reserve account. So suppose if I reissue these shares at par and I got all the money, then this 70,000 will be transferred to capital reserve. Then this will not come in capital. That money which you have received for 1000 shares means 1 lakh, that will increase your capital. Then your capital will become 40 lakh. 39 lakh plus 1 lakh, 40 lakh your capital will be there. And this 70,000 will be your capital profit, which will be transferred to capital reserve. That capital reserve will go to the next heading, reserves and surplus. So because we have not reissued these 1000 shares, so right now I can't say it my capital profit until and unless I reissue it. That's why what to say then? This money I have received for shares, that will be part of capital. If all shares are reissued, then what should I tell? I don't know. I'm not understanding your question. If all shares will be reissued, obviously capital will be 40 lakh. It will be fully paid up. And then this 70,000 or whatever the amount you are having in share forfeiture account, that all will transfer to capital reserve account. That capital reserve we are not supposed to show here. That will come in separate heading after this point number A, reserves and surplus. So this is regarding two things. Today we have done two practices. How to prepare share forfeiture account, that you have to prepare. That will increase your understanding also about this account. Secondly, how to present share forfeiture account in balance sheet. So till now you have learned all the parts of balance sheet, all scenarios, forfeiture. In this question, it is not given that the amount which is not subscribed. See, we are not supposed to do anything for that. If you are in issuing 42,500 shares and public is purchasing 40,000 shares, that is fine. What to do for 2,500? Nothing to do for that. If public is not subscribing, you will not be receiving money for that. And if you are not receiving money for that, then there is no financial transaction for 2,500. That's why it will not be recorded. Whatever number of applications you are receiving, only that you will be recording.